Welcome to Healing Path, your calm corner on the internet where health stops feeling confusing and starts feeling possible. If you've ever felt lost in a maze of complicated diets, conflicting advice, and quick fixes that never last, you're in the right place. In a world that's constantly shouting about health, this channel is here to whisper. We believe that real, lasting wellness isn't built on extreme changes, but on simple, steady steps that fit into your life, not fight against it. Every video here is like a small lantern on your path. We focus on real science, natural wisdom, and practical actions that help you feel better from the inside out. Forget about changing your entire lifestyle overnight. The human body loves consistency. It responds to the small things we do every day. A cup of warm water in the morning, 5 extra minutes of walking, a calm moment before bed. These habits might seem small, almost too small, but they are the quiet builders of strong health. They stack up, they settle into your routine, and they start to shift how your entire body works. Our first principle is simple: progress over perfection. You don't need a medical degree or a huge budget to follow along. You just need one clear step you can take today. One step that makes sense, feels doable, and creates momentum. Over time, these small steps open big doors to more energy, better digestion, steadier moods, and deeper sleep. As you experience these changes, you'll start to trust your own ability to heal. You'll realize you don't need extreme solutions. You just need understanding and a path you can actually walk. Here at Healing Path, we stand in the space between complicated medical terms and vague home remedies. We bring you natural healing, but with a clear understanding of why it works. The body is designed to repair itself, but it needs the right support. We'll explore how food, sleep, movement, and stress control all shape your internal balance. But we'll do it with simple explanations. Instead of just saying, eat antioxidants, we'll show you how berries can calm inflammation. Instead of just saying, reduce stress, we'll explain how stress hormones can weaken your digestion and metabolism. Knowledge becomes your tool, not your burden. This isn't about forcing your body to change. It's about learning to work with it. A short walk helps balance blood sugar. Deep breathing calms the nervous system. These small, natural habits open pathways inside the body that restore its natural rhythm. Your body isn't broken. It's just asking for support. When natural healing meets clear knowledge, you gain confidence. You feel empowered, not overwhelmed. Seeing healing as something within your reach, one informed step at a time. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to forget to pause and care for ourselves. Think of this channel as your refuge, a place to step away from the chaos and focus on your well-being. Taking control of your health begins with small, intentional choices. It's about tuning into your body, mind, and emotions to recognize what you truly need. Sometimes it's rest, sometimes it's nourishment, and sometimes it's simply a moment of quiet. Giving yourself permission to slow down and listen is one of the most powerful steps on your journey. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when it feels hard, and that's okay. We encourage you to approach your health with patience and self-compassion. Every small step is a victory. This is more than a channel. It's a sanctuary where you can reset, reconnect, and reclaim control. We believe everyone deserves the tools and guidance to live their healthiest, happiest life. Thank you for being here. Let's start this journey together. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single step on your path to healing.